Hey there! I just wanted to show you that I was finally able to find this human proportions calculator again. It was missing for a while, and I had a dead link, but I found the real thing again. So I just wanted to show this to you. You go to humanproportions.com, and if you go to SculptUniversity, there's an article here on it to get you to this website easily. So the only thing I don't like about it is that we don't have inches to choose from. So here in the United States, that's usually what we go for is inches, and so it took a little bit of figuring. So about 40 or so is around 16 inches. It's like 15.75 or something like that. So maybe probably like 41 centimeters to be exact. But you just type in the size of your figure. You would choose here whether you want to measure the figure, the head, the hand, the foot. Right now I'm just doing the full figure. I chose a male. So I'm thinking about the Santa that I've been working on, right? And so now it will give me all these sizes because I think I just hit enter and it figured this all out for me. But then it breaks it down over here exactly how it looks on your figure as well. And then you've got this button over here that you can check out. And again, this is where you can make your decisions. Like, let's say we wanted to do an infant, turns to an infant size over here. Like, you just would need to put in the size of doll that you want there, and it will break it all out into the different parts that you need. But I thought that was pretty cute. You can just like close that back up so then you can see what it is for a baby, young child, even elderly. See, that's kind of cool too. So anyway, you can tell that it's a little bit different, less heads for that elderly gentleman versus the adult there. We got up to 8 heads rather than it was just 7 before. And then notice that on the infant, we only have about 5 heads there. Sometimes it'll even be 4 if you do a really young baby. So anyway, that's how you do it. You can switch to different body parts too, the hand, just the head itself. It's nice with the head too. Let's switch to a head adult. And it kind of shows you exactly where to put your facial features as well. So how cool is that? Very cool, I think. Anyway, that's just one of the fun things that you will find at SculptUniversity. Hey, just wanted to show you what it looks like and how you go about navigating inside SculptUniversity. So here's our welcome page, and tells you all about what we have to offer and all the reasons that SculptUniversity is going to be a great thing for you. So then if you want to create an account, you can click on account, register, and then what you need to do, right now we have a 20% discount going on this weekend, so I would take advantage of it if I were you. Just go ahead and fill in your details and your information. You can either pay by PayPal or by credit card. The credit card one has been a little bit tricky, so I would suggest PayPal right now because that one is ready to go. And then just go ahead and complete the membership. Then just wanted to show you, once you are a member and logged in, I have a couple things opened right now, so even though we aren't logged in officially, I can show them to you. But anyway, in this course library, that's the best place to find all the basic courses. I'm going to have the articles that aren't a full course in another area too. I haven't exactly decided yet, but it's going to be in process. I'll probably have a link across the top so you can find just all the articles that are being added as well. But then to get into one of the courses, right now I've got the Creating Luminous Eyes class turned on this weekend, so you're welcome to come by and take a peek at that course and just go through it. So basically all you need to do, you can just kind of start scrolling through right here and just go from lesson to lesson. Then the videos will show up, and if you want to make them full screen, you can just by clicking that. Bring it back down for regular size, and just scroll along through each lesson. You can watch them really easily. And now I'm just getting the center color of the, just like that. Take you through the process that I use to make some luminous eyes. So I think you'll really enjoy that little class here for you. So be sure and stop by and at least check out the little course. Once you are logged in and a member, then it's kind of cool because there'll be these things like percentages of done, and then like you can bookmark different places, and it's kind of cool. It'll really be great for keeping track of what you've accomplished so far. So anyway, you're welcome to just explore a lot of the other courses. A lot of them are free. If you want to find just the pure free ones, go to the course library go to free content, and then you'll find all the ones that are typically free anyway. So have fun checking those out. We've got some great courses in here for you, and it's just going to be continually expanding. So anyway, this weekend only, the prices when you are signing up, they are discounted by 20%. Usually it's the $139. This weekend it's only $111 to get started with it. And including the charter membership is also discounted. It's usually $399 and it's down to $319 for the year price. Anyway, so we've got that available for you this weekend, and I hope you enjoy the great videos that will be coming your way. There's more to come. Take care.